In this video, I will show you how to monetize your WhatsApp and earn money from it. How to use WhatsApp to earn money from it. This is a very good idea, which most of us, we are using WhatsApp daily. Some of us, we didn't get any money from it. So in here, I will show you like three steps which we can follow and you can earn money through using WhatsApp. The last one is the biggest important for you to earn money from WhatsApp. So number one is WhatsApp channel. Did you know WhatsApp channels is very important for you? Because if you have like business, imagine if I am a content creator and you may have like a different platform which you are share your content through. So someday you can wake up, you can see that your page has been banned and totally you lost all your followers on that platform. So this is very saddest things to you. So if you want to like protect that and you can make money on WhatsApp channel, is very important. The first thing is go to WhatsApp and create a WhatsApp channel. So to create it, just go to WhatsApp status and create your WhatsApp channel and type your name, and that you are good to go. So if you create WhatsApp channel, how to earn money from it? Imagine if I am a YouTuber and in this video I will put the link of my WhatsApp channel which you can join, and you can see bunch of my latest videos from YouTube, and in this way I can earn money from it. I mean that if like I am a YouTuber and I request all my followers from different platforms as they join my WhatsApp channel, and imagine if I have like 1 million followers on my WhatsApp channel, and then when I upload video from my YouTube, I can share the video link through it to my WhatsApp, and in this way they can click it and watch that video, and I can earn huge money from it. And also you can use WhatsApp channel to earn money for selling your products, your services. You can share some information about services and the price and your WhatsApp number. Anyone that interested in it on your WhatsApp channel, he can contact you and buy that services or product from you directly, and you can earn money from it. Apart from, if you are YouTuber, you share your video link, they can watch it and YouTube will pay you that money for their watching video of you. So also this protect you from being lost of all your followers from different platforms, because you can wake up at one day and you see that page or that your place you used to earn money has been banned, and this can lead you to very sad thing, and this can protect that, and also this way you make all your customer in your own pocket and in a safest place without lose them. So that is the step one, or tips one, which you can earn money from WhatsApp. Tip two is using shops. Did you know on WhatsApp business you can open your real shops on your profile and you can earn money from it? In this way, if you go to WhatsApp business and open your shop, you can add your services, your product, and anything. Anyone that go to that shop, you can share that link of your shop. Anyone that click it when you open your shop, he can choose the right things which you want to buy, and you are good to go. He can buy it directly from you on WhatsApp without any hassle. So this is the biggest, some of the best important way to earn money from it. In the shop, you can put all the services you are doing and the link of where they can buy, they can purchase it. Also, you can share the product. If it is physical product, they can buy it directly from you. So the last one and the biggest one is WhatsApp status. So if you have like huge content, huge number in your phone content, or many viewers of your status, this can lead you to earn huge money, because if you use your WhatsApp in the right way, you can earn more money. So In this way, you can pick your services, you can design a higher engaging photo or something like that and put in your WhatsApp status. And also you can put the link under that photo that or under that status. They can click it and they can buy anything that you offer. Maybe like a product or services, they can buy it directly from you. Also, another feature inside WhatsApp status is that you can mention specific customer that you are willing to get money from them, or they buy from you large quantity, and maybe you have like a new arable new supplies of your product, or new course that is very important to them, or they requested it, they don't know you release it. You can mention them and they can get it as like a direct message from them, and they can buy from you and you can earn money through it. So that is the 3 steps you can earn money from using WhatsApp. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget I leave my WhatsApp channel in the comment section and in the description of this video. Please follow me on my WhatsApp channel. Thank you, Abba, for